To send XRP to stake in 2025, you will need to follow a series of steps that ensure the process is carried out securely and efficiently. First, understand that staking XRP involves participating in the validation of transactions on the XRP ledger, which can help secure the network and potentially earn rewards. Start by setting up a compatible wallet that supports XRP staking, such as Ledger Live or Zum. Ensure your wallet is funded with the amount of XRP you wish to stake, noting that a minimum amount may be required by the staking service you choose. Next, research and select a reputable staking service or validator that aligns with your needs and offers a good balance between security, fees, and potential rewards. Some popular options include XRPL Labs and GateHub. Once you have selected a staking service, navigate to their official website and follow the instructions provided to set up staking. This typically involves generating a unique staking address to which you will send your XRP. Before sending your XRP, double-check the staking address to ensure it is correct, as transactions on the blockchain are irreversible. Use your wallet to initiate the transfer, specifying the exact amount of XRP you wish to stake and the destination address provided by the staking service. After sending your XRP, allow time for the transaction to be confirmed on the XRP ledger, which usually takes a few seconds. Your staking service will then begin the process of validating transactions and potentially earning rewards on your behalf. It is crucial to monitor your staking activity and adjust as necessary to maximize your rewards and maintain the security of your XRP. Keep your wallet and staking service accounts secure with strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication where possible. By following these steps and maintaining awareness of the staking process, you can effectively send XRP to stake in 2025, contributing to the security and validation of the XRP ledger while potentially earning rewards. Always prioritize the security of your funds and stay informed about the latest developments in XRP staking to make the most of this opportunity.